Hi all, myself KK Singh and I am a Gold Certified Trainer and an innovator as well. I want to discuss something different from the usual videos. Since I have been working on artificial intelligence and using various generative AI platforms. So here, using those generative AI platforms, I am going to create an app for the teachers, or rather I can help the teachers to create the app if you have the idea of HTML or something about JavaScript. If you are able to do this or you are well versed with this HTML, then you'll be able to create a front end, because as far as Gen AI platforms are concerned, so there are so many platforms available to work with. Like if you want to use ChatGPT, you can give the question in ChatGPT and it gives the correct answer or the variant, worst variety of answers. Similarly, if you use Claude, you can give the prompt and you get the solution accordingly. But what if you create the app for the particular subject, or the subject is specific? If the app is subject is specific, the students can use the subject specific app to get the answers of their queries. So in the same way, I'm going to create the app for the students in physics. So without wasting much time on this discussion, let's move to our Google Gemini, which will help to create the front end, because front end is very important. If you have the front end, you can if you have the front end, and in addition, if you have the API key of artificial intelligence, you can embed that API key in the front end, and that front end starts working as the app for that particular subject. So over here, this time I'm going to create the front end for uh, physics as physics coach. So let's move to my Gemini platform. And over here, I'm going to give the prompt I have already written, and this is stored into my document. So this is my prompt. So here, this is my prompt: create single page coach HTML for class 11th. And I have written everything like HTML page, text area, where it will show the result, and the text box where it will ask the question, and there's another area where we'll put our API key. So all these provisions have been made in this prompt. Now I'm going to copy this prompt from here and paste it in Gemini. So it will start creating the web page. So see here, it has started creating the web page. Although this will take time, because this is not one line or two line or three line page. This is maybe 100 lines page. So it will take time to create this web page, and after that you will have to what you have to do, you will have to copy this HTML and save it as the HTML file. So see here, so this is the web page it has created. And so see here, this part, this is the area which can take the API. Okay, so you'll have to give the API key here, and after that you run this. See here, now I'm going to open Notepad. And here I'll create the paste the HTML. So this is here, and save it as and it should be in double quotes. Say physics app or physics coach dot html. So here I have saved that code which I just created and save this. Okay, and just close this, and after closing this, reach the file to create API. To create API key, you'll have to click on this. I'll tell you how to create the API, but the quota of this ID is already over. So I want to tell you how to create the API key. So to create the API key, AI Studio dot tool.com. So I'm going to create the API key. So here this is create CBSE Physics 11th grade. Okay, so for this I'm going to create the project, and here click on create project, and the same project name is here, and create it. Okay, now the project has created, and now create the key. So the key is already there. You can copy this. I have two API keys created for this. The method is same. So I'm going to run that frontend frontend physics coach. So see here, physics coach. So this is here. So this is the app created by my Gemini. Over here, you look, this is very beautiful, looks very beautiful. And here you will have to enter the API key. So here, go to this place and get the API key, physics coach, get the API key here, from here, and paste it in this box. And after pasting this box, this API key in this box, click on save. Now that this interface or this app now contains the API key, now it should work for physics. So explain Newton's first law of motion. So if your interconnection is correct and API is correct, then when you say ask the tutor if it is working or if this API is correct. So see here, this is fantastic question, Newton's first law of motion. So it has created the solution. So here this is the solution. Or you can say this is the first law, you can say the second law of motion. Second law of motion. Now again ask the tutor. So this is Newton's second law of motion. So here you see the second law of motion for your CV studies with the formal definition, all the signs, delta, F is equal to ma, and this is how you can create the solution of your question. So this is your physics app. So likewise, you'll be able to create the front ends for different subjects and you can create different APIs using aistudio.google.com. So how do you like it? If you like it, kindly share it with your friends, teacher friends, and share with your students also, so that this can be uh, such a help to your students. So that's all for the day. If you have any question, kindly drop that question in my comment box. I'll try to resolve it. We'll meet in the next video with some more. So from this time, I say bye bye to everyone.